Well, we're back in Dundee. What?
There's a freight train on the other side.
Oh!
Yeah,
Here's the 43 just departing. That's it. I'm going to just call this Trains in Dundee. This video.
that's a different freight train.
And I do believe that there's a freight train here as well. But we'll see this departing first, then we'll have a quick look at the freight train. And then ask if there are trains today. And over here we have the freight train. No idea what that's carrying. Well, that says tea. I'm not carrying tea bags, surely. That's a fair line then, that's for sure. Anyway, that's it for the trains today. We'll still have some more uploads coming.
Did you get a good shot of it?
Yeah, it was decent.
Yeah. I was shaking when I was holding the camera with one cold.
I think that'll probably be me in terms of the train uploads today. I'll get a few bus ones on the way home as well.
This will probably leave once some other passengers gets past.
Possibly. I mean, I don't even know where it's going or what it's carrying.
Liquid in it, that's all I can hear. It's got liquid in it because I can hear that.
Alcohol, fuel.
I'd assume it'll be fuel.
Haven't a clue.